He champions the promotion of Chinese culture and Oriental wisdom of wellness to the whole world. He is the idealist who provides high-quality products, education, and business opportunities to consumers worldwide, improving their life and enhancing social harmony. He built the TIENS Great Health Organization, creating miracles in the global business circle. He established a panoramic and colorful stage for increasingly more people to realize their dreams, regardless of race, religion, or nationality. His dream is to build a blessed TIENS family. Consumers from more than 190 countries and regions and nearly 40 million families enjoy better life through branches in 110 countries, thanks to the TIENS health concept and business model. He feels strongly that education is the cornerstone of national rejuvenation and social progress, and thus aspires towards the development of nationwide education. He founded Tianjin Tianshi College and invested heavily in 51 TIENS-funded schools, dedicated to the improvement of national education. He pushed to internationalize the nurturing of talents in the great health industry, investing billions into the Jinyuan University to bring to grand reality an idealistic blueprint. He is always promoting an appreciative culture of feeling, creating, and spreading love through disaster relief efforts, youth care programs, environment-friendly programs, and the promotion of harmony with worldwide public donations worth over 1.5 billion RMB, underlining his role as a socially responsible global citizen and enabling love to bloom abundantly all over the world. He is dedicated to promoting cultural exchanges and building international bridges of friendship. He is an entrepreneur, an educator, a philanthropist, as well as a citizen ambassador. He is one of the most influential figures in China and enjoys special government subsidies granted by the China State Council. He has been named the model of national unity and progress by the China State Council for 3 years running. He is one of the CCTV annual 30 economic personalities. He ranks amongst named Chinese business leaders who have made significant contributions to the Asia-Pacific economy. He was awarded the International Medal for Outstanding Chinese. He was awarded an honorary doctorate from the United Nations School of Ecology and Life Sciences. He is an